Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can clear all the cache and junk on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So cleaning the cache and junk of your Windows, this will also be one way on how you can boost the performance of your Windows and your Windows will run fast. So let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and R button together. The run window will appear, or you can just simply right click at the start button and then in the list of options, just click on run. In here, you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP and then click on OK. Now, there are a lot of temporary files right here. So click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current times and just click on skip. Now, you must understand that not all of these folders will be deleted, and that is okay because these are used by some programs of your Windows. Anyway, there are still a lot of folders that will be deleted. So once done, simply close this. Then press the Windows key and R button together again. Type here percentage TEMP percentage and then click on OK. Then still click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current times and then click on skip. Still, not all of these folders will be deleted and that is totally fine. Simply close this, then press the Windows key and R button together again. This time you're going to type prefetch. It's prefetch and hit on OK. Then click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A if there are a lot of folders right here. And just click on the delete bin at the top. Now once done, simply close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here disk clean up. Disk cleanup will appear under the best match. Now go ahead and click that. Or you can just simply press the Windows key and R button together. And here you need to type clean mgr and hit enter. And the same window will appear. Select the drive you want to clean up. So Windows C drive is chosen by default, but you can also choose different drives right here, especially if this is not having enough space, but I'll go with the C drive and click on OK. Then here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you have all of these boxes. Now you must to check all of these boxes. There are a lot of temporary files right here. So once done, simply click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Now you have to click on delete files. So the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. So you just have to wait for that. Now once done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So by clearing or cleaning all the cache and junk of your Windows, this will not only free up space of your Windows, but this will also help to boost performance of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.